And the conclusion of all the Shastra, the conclusion of all the study, the conclusion of all the shlokas, the conclusion of all the bhajan is Ayinanda Tanaja Kinkaram Patitam Bham Vishnubevamu. I'm just Ayinanda Tanaja, I'm your Kim Karomi. I'm your Kinkar. Kinkar means servant. Hey Nandanandan, I'm a servant of you, I'm a servant of the Vaishnavas, and I'm a servant foremost of my Guru. That's all I want. Ahoituki apratiyata. No calculation. Ahoituki apratiyata. Apratiyata means no calculation. Just serve. Serve to serve. Calculation means profit motive. Business, transaction. I'm giving to get. No. We just give. We give to give. No taking, only giving. By taking, we go down. By giving, we go up. It's like this. By taking, we go down. By giving, we go up. This is spiritual calculation. Material calculation is they want to take. And they want to take. This consuming. They call it consumer generation, consumerism. Consuming. Everyone's consuming each other. Jivo, jivasti jivanam. Jivo, jivasti jivanam. We cannot exist without consumption. The whole material world exists on consumption. Everyone's consuming. One living entity is consuming another. But the spiritual world exists on dedication. Everyone's dedicating whatever they have to the center. Everyone's dedicating whatever they have for the pleasure and happiness of Krishna. And by dedicating, everyone becomes happy. And by dedicating, everyone's unified. And by dedicating, everyone's in harmony with the center, which is Krishna, who is Krishna. But here, everyone's taking. It's opposite. Everything we do is opposite. The materialist wants to take, consume, and exploit. We want to give, to dedicate, and serve. To give, to dedicate, to serve. This is Vrindavan. The material world is to take, to have, to hold. To take, to have, to hold. Because that's the principle of this material world. The material world is based on consumption. One living being exists by consuming another living being. Right? Ahastani sahastanam apadani chatuspadam falguni tatramahatam jivo jivasya jivanam. One living entity exists on another living entity. Vegetables are alive. We eat them to live. We're vegetarians. They die, we live. And we only get free from sin by sacrifice to Vishnu Yagya. Otherwise we go down also. We become vegetable also and get consumed. Yagya shishashno shanta mujyante sarvakil bashe munjate te tukam papam ye pachantyatmakaranat. So there must be Vishnu Yagya. Everything must be dedicated to Vishnu. And they're there, even in this world. The spiritual world is made of dedication. Vaikuntha is calculated dedication, and Vrindavan is spontaneous dedication. Because in Vrindavan, they don't want anything. They don't want anything. No Salokyas and Samipyas, anything. They just want service. But the jivas, they have prem by Vaidhi. By Vaidhi sadhana, they go to Bhav and prem and Vaikuntha. But their prem is tinged with some calculation. I want Surupya, I want Samipya, I want Salokya, I want Sharsti. Namaste. But the Braj Bhakti, the Braj Bhaktis, they want to follow Sridham Subal and Sakiras or Nanda Baba and Yashoda and Vatsalya or Lalita Vishaka, Radha, Krishna and Madhur, Rupa Manjari. There's not a tinge or drop of any calculation, just service, here, there, anywhere. You give me any form, I don't care. You give me any place, I don't care. You give me wealth or no wealth, I don't care. I don't care about Sharsti or Samipya. Yeah, I'm near you or I'm far from you, it doesn't matter. Just let me, any service connection, that's all. This is Braj. This is